Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is April the 9th, 2019 on Tuesday, and the time is 3 a.m. GMT. So for today we will be looking at the FTSE. This is the 45 minutes chart. We can see right here that this rally right here was labeled as wave 1. This pullback was wave 2, and then now we are ending this wave 3 over here. You can see subdivision is in 5 waves, 1 2 3 4 5. Each one of them subdivides into 5 waves. This reflects the fractal theory in Elliott Wave, where each wave 1, wave 3 and wave 5 subdivides in 5 waves. And what we are looking for now is we're looking for this wave 3 potentially can get a little bit more upside, even though it's kind of risky to chase it at the moment, at least in the shorter cycle. Okay, then once this 3 is complete, we should be getting a bigger pullback in the wave 4. So this wave 4 potentially will be correcting this entire cycle. Alright, and typically Fibonacci wise, this wave 4 should be between generally speaking between 23.6 and 38.2 retracement of this wave 3, right? So you need to wait until the wave 3 ends, and then when you measure the retracement, usually it's between 23.6 38.2 retracement before another leg higher in the wave 5 in the red. All right, you see in the right side stem still remains green at this level. That suggests that we are still looking for more upside in the index. We are still favoring more upside in the index against this low 71.46. Now as far as the dips stays above 71.46, we are looking for the upside. Right now, again, like I said, this can change in the shorter cycle, can always change in the sense that this does not need to make new high. It can start going lower from here and so on, but it doesn't change really the idea that as far as the pullback stays above 71.46, we are looking for another leg to the upside in the wave 5. Now stepping back, looking at the larger picture now, we can see this is 1 and 2. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Now this is not really the whole count. For a complete count, you can always check our service 14 days free, and the link to the free trial is provided in the description of the video. Now right here you got this 1 2 3 4 5, and then ending with A, and then this is your wave B over here. Then we have another leg higher in the wave C to the upside, and currently we are ending this wave 3 in the red right now. Okay, and this is where we are showing here. This is the wave 3, this is 1 and 2 in the red. So you can see that this move higher, we label it at least as an ABC type, or it can even be 1 2 3, right? You don't know it's 1 2 3 or ABC, but for now we are labeling it as an ABC, right? Which is a conservative way to label it. So you got this so-called ABC. Usually again, in the Fibonacci relationship, the C usually is equal to the A. So far you can see that the leg doesn't seem to be equal yet. If you do the measurement here, it has not reached the ideal target 77.61. Doesn't necessarily mean it has to go there, but typically, ideally, that's what the relationship is, the C equal to A. Now also in the C leg, if this is really a C leg, then that means that this needs to be in a 5 waves, because C needs to subdivide in 5 waves, and so far we only see 3 waves so far, right? So far we only see 3 waves, so which means that that's why as far as the pullback later on, this wave 4 pullback stays above this wave 2, which is this wave 2, we can see at least one more push higher in the FTSE. Okay, now there is this trend line over here, ascending trend line since December low 2018. Now that trend line is going to be important as well, because if it does, for whatever reason, right, if it does break below it and close below it, then that suggests this entire cycle can be complete, and then it can start correcting a larger degree. Okay, so it needs to stay above this trend line on a closing basis, right? if we are going to maintain the bullish view. But this is really the most important key pivot right now, which is this 71.46. As far as dips stay above there, keep pushing it on the upside for now in the FTSE. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all again next time.